Hello guys, I'm showing you one new feature of our Smartwatch R5. Stay with me to see how it works. 4 selling points. Waterproof IP68. Multiple sports modes. 280 mAh Cobalt-only batteries. Track the route of your activity. Waterproof IP68. 2 ATM, withstand pressures equivalent to 20 meters below water level, with no continuous bubble test pass. Brand new sealing technology, good waterproof performance, daily hand washing, swimming, splashing, rain, use in bathing and life scenes. Note, it does not support hot water, chemical detergents, seawater, and other turbid liquids. Multiple sports modes. Stay in tune with your daily activities and goals with the Hard app and its multiple sports modes from running to badminton and more. 280 mAh Cobalt-only batteries. Cobalt-only batteries have 30% higher capacity than lithium-ion batteries in the same volume, generate less heat, have more cycles, and last 1-2 times longer than ordinary batteries. Track the route of your activity. Track the route of your activity is an ideal function for your outdoor activities needs. It will keep track of your activities and allow you to view your track on the map with the ability to replay the route. Send me an email at info@iwasmartwatch.com for the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.